Okay, for this lesson, I'm incorporating both Poll Everywhere and Padlet, Padlet being the main focus. So I'm going to kind of walk through the process of using Padlet within the realms of my lesson as well. You can see I have a Padlet that's already pre-made. That's the one I'm going to pull up in a minute. I can keep up to 3 Padlets because I'm using the free version. If I want to be able to have more, I would upgrade and pay a monthly fee, but 3 works for me. Join a Padlet is how I would get my kids to add in. I would give them the link to this one. If I want to create a new Padlet, I simply click Make a Padlet. I can choose from these different types. The one I'm using is Back Channel. I really like this one. It kind of looks like a chat formation, a little form going through there. You can pick templates. I find it much easier for me to use my own blank streams. It just works better for me. And once I pick one, I can set my own title. Over here I can choose different wall backgrounds, different colors, font styles. I can click next. I can keep it the way it is. I can make it secret. I can make it public, which is what I typically do, and then I can grant access of what people with the link can do, much like your Google Docs or anything in your Google Suite. And then I click next and I click start posting, and I have one that is made. So for the class and for the lesson, I have one here. The students are competing in teams to answer the question, who is Edgar Allan Poe? And so when I'm ready for them to start, they'll already have the link, they'll have the assignment, and I will click this one and make it active, and then the students will start. They'll have one person in their team who is typing in facts as they learn them, while other people in their team are researching. And they're competing, you know, who can make the most facts, who has the most interesting fact, who's the most original poster. They have the most original post in the process. And within each team, I just have the one that is posting because that keeps the screen a lot less chaotic for our purposes. And then we'll use the information that we learned from here to kind of summarize and get ready to move into a genre study that we're going to be conducting on Edgar Allan Poe.